is one is the Jiva and one is the Jivatma. Both these cannot be destroyed, no? I told you, na, the Jiva is like the water in it. It keeps on going one to another, to another, to another, to another. So at the beginning of time, when in the Satyuga, when the Krita, when the Jiva was one, it split into 100 horses and was dragging the chariot. Remember, I said these words? At the end of the Yuga, that is at the end, that is when the Kali Yuga ends, at that time everything will go back into one. So, समझ में आया कि नहीं? You see, when we are playing Ludo with the child, we keep on gathering points and stuff like that. And then the dad says, oh, I'm getting very late, now let us close, or it is 10 o'clock in the night, baby, you got to go to sleep. And then you close for the day. No. And जैसे ना तुम्हारा बच्चा क्या बोलेगा मालूम है? Suppose you are playing the Monopoly game or something. Dad, I was owning, New York City. I was owning Washington. I had 5 hotels in that place. बोलेगा कि नहीं बोलेगा ऐसा? है ना? But the next day when you start fresh all over again. So he will say, Dad, no, last time you're cheating. You see, I got so many hotels I was building. Monopoly का गेम ऐसा है, मालूम है ना? हम लोग बचपन में खेलते थे मोनोपोली, अभी हम लोग होटल्स बांधते थे, घर बांधते थे, पता नहीं क्या करते थे वो मोनोपोली के गेम में. So, and sometimes you used to go to jail, pay fine. अभी अमेरिका में $50 लेगा या $500 लेगा, इंडिया में रहता था 50 रुपया भरो. So Monopoly game was like that. But at the end of the day, when you close the game, are you not supposed to restart it again the next day? From new beginning, isn't it? So when the 4 yugas end, when we start again, we are going to have a new beginning. Alright? So zero karma, back to zero. And then you will be given, I am giving you $500. I am giving you 4 coins. I am giving you this and I am giving you that. So that people can buy from you. No, वैसा कुछ रहता है ना वो Monopoly का गेम में वैसा हो जाता है. So, understood? Alright. Both of them are ignorant. He who considers the soul to be capable of killing and he who takes it as killed. For verily the soul never kills nor is killed. Correct? I hear the context which, now please understand, this is an English book we are trying to do. Sometimes there is a problem in the English way is spoken of. So in this book, the way they have put it, the Jiva is considered as soul. Jiva is equal to Jivatma. Understood? In this book. See, the translations have a problem in them, like we had in whatever ignore and endure, वैसा ये problem आया. So soul is equal to Jivatma, super soul or God is equal to Paramatma. Understood? But here the truth is the Jiva is the embodied. Okay. And the soul aspect, the one which is called the Jiv Atma, is Krishna. Jiva is Arjuna, Jivatma is Krishna. In this book, the way they have put it, Jivatma is equal to Arjuna and Paramatma is equal to Krishna. It's okay. You can take it whichever way you want it. It really does not matter. So both of them are ignorant. Who is ignorant? The person who is picking up his bow and arrow and trying to shoot, and the person who is dying. Both of them are ignorant. That means in this world, we are all full of ignorance. So the one who says, मैंने मेरे बच्चे को मारा, कितना बुरा काम किया, कैसी मम्मी है मैं, ऐसा करके हम लोग सोचते होंगे. और बच्चा माँ के करके जोर से रोया हो, और फिर बाद में मम्मी ने नजदीक लिया, बोलते अच्छा हो गया मम्मी ने नजदीक लिया, क्योंकि अभी है ना मेरे को 2-4 लड्डू और खिलाएगी. So he is a glutton for these type of punishments. He also is a very चालू कैरेक्टर. बोलता है 2-4 मार खाने में अपने को एक 4 लड्डू तो जरूर मिलेगा. Reminds you of गणेशा, no? हर हर महादेव. वो सीरियल में का गणेशा ऐसा ही है, एकदम चालू. वो मम्मी को भी झूठ बोलता है क्योंकि उसका पेट बहुत बड़ा है यार, क्या करेगा वो भी. So there was this story of now since गणेशा का नाम आया तभी एक गणेशा का एक अजीब स्टोरी है. गणेशा का स्टोरी ऐसा था कि एक बार ना जब परशुराम is also the so-called son of Shiva. Okay, in the Shiva Puran it is like that. In the Vishnu Puran is the reverse. So let us not get into all that, you know, arguments. Otherwise Pakistan India war हो जाएगा. तो शिवा का एक बच्चा रहता है, इसका नाम है परशुराम. अच्छा ठीक है. दूसरा बच्चा रहता है, उसका नाम है गणेशा. हाँ, तो दोनों एक दिन है ना, परशुराम आता है, बोलता है मेरे को है ना मेरे डैडी से मम्मी से मिलने का है. तो उधर बाहर अपने हीरो बैठे हैं और जैसे वो उसने अपने बाप को अंदर नहीं जाने दिया वैसे है ना बोलता है मैं तेरे को भी नहीं अंदर जाएगा. तू कौन है? Ganesha is asking Parshuram. Parshuram says, "Let me go. This is my house. I have to go and meet my parents." तो उस टाइम पे गणेशा को बहुत गुस्सा आता है. बोले तू समझते क्या है अपने आप को? मैं नहीं जाने देगा, जा. तो परशुराम knows he is eternal. परशुराम knows he is eternal. उसको कितना भी मारेगा तो वो मरता नहीं. इमेजिन करना, अपना इंडियन हीरो भी वैसा ही रहता है. उसको 50 गोलियां मारने के बाद भी वो उठता है और वो जिंदा होता ही है. 10 विलन लोग उसको मारते. गजनी देखा है कि नहीं? फिर भी वो जिंदा रहता है. वैसा ये हीरो अभी मरता नहीं. तो परशुराम से देखता हूँ. He tells, you know, who? गणेशा, I am eternal. तू क्या करेगा मेरा? गणेशा बोलता है तेरे को मालूम नहीं मैं कौन है. ऐसा करके दोनों में युद्ध हो जाता है. ये परशुराम के हाथ में हमेशा एक परशु रहता है. परशु मीन्स एन एक्स. सो ही सेज मैं एक्स एक फेंक के मारेगा ना सारा तू मर जाएगा. एट दैट टाइम ही थ्रोज द एक्स एंड गणेशा he turns slightly towards his other side, just chipping only his one. वो सोंड ऐसा ही रहता है ना, ट्विंक करके बाहर रहता है, मालूम है? वो सोंड को लग के ना एक उसका सोंड टूट जाता है कट करके. तभी उसका मम्मी डैडी जोर से आवाज आता है ढम करके. जो सोंड उसका कितना हैवी रहेगा सोचो. वो खुद इतना हैवी तो सोंड कितना हैवी. तो गिर जाते थे, जोर से आवाज आता है. मम्मी डैडी भाग के बाहर आते हैं, देखते हैं कि है ना परशुराम ने है ना इसको मारने का कोशिश किया है और गणेशा है ना अपना सोंड को जमा कर रहा है. तो बोलते क्यों किया तुमने ऐसा? So at that time Shiva tells him, see, please understand Parshu, you are eternal. This boy is not eternal. He always has to come and go. So please don't try to beat him. Okay? He's come here for some reason. So now please understand, in every life of ours, we are going to get vignas in our life. So the Vignaharta is born the moment the vignas come in the way. Please understand this. Got it? And he uses this tusk of his. वो एक है ना tusk था ना, गिर गया ना टूट के. He makes it into a quill, a pen, and then he writes this great book called the Srimad Bhagavatam and the Mahabharata. Srimad Bhagavatam is actually written twice, you know, but let us not get into again these special situations.
What is Vigna?
Vigna means obstacle.
Okay.
Obstacle. समझ में आया? Problem. I got load of problems.
Boss, 10 minutes more, please.
Okay, we will end at 20 now. We are at 19, isn't it? The soul is never born, nor does it ever die. So, na jayate mitrayate va kadachit nyaya bhutva bhavita na bhu. किधर लिखा है यार इसमें, मेरे को तो समझ में ही नहीं आता है. So the soul is never born. It is never born, it never dies. So the jiva that was there was never born and he never dies. Again, we have to do little corrections here and there, so don't worry, don't correct it in the book. The soul never dies, nor is it ever born, because remember, it is only donning a body. Didn't we say donning a body? It says very clearly that it is taking up that body. So it every time when it goes back to the factory, sometimes it becomes Coca-Cola, sometimes it becomes Mirinda, sometimes it becomes something else, or sometimes it becomes Evian water. So, for it is unborn, eternal, everlasting and primeval. Even though the body is slain, the soul is not. So here we again come to this point where, do you remember again, the jiva was split into multiples. The jiva original was the Paramatma himself. So when we say man is born in the image of God, the jiva had to come from somewhere, isn't it? So the jiva came from the Paramatma. Individual soul came from the super soul. Correct? It dawns a body. So now think about it, what is unreal? First, the jiva is unreal. Body is unreal, वो तो चला गया. The jiva is unreal because it is created in this universe. The jivatma is unreal because the Paramatma cannot be split into multiples. Correct? Right or wrong? So, did you understand this? Okay, let me give you an example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screens over here. 7 people are talking over here. So one person is talking, 6 are listening. Okay. So 7 people are there. So can we say that there are 7 jivatmas? No. There is one Paramatma. For the sake of understanding, it is split into 7 people. For understanding purposes. But one cannot be another and another cannot be another, so they have individuality. That is where the jivatma is split into jiva. Correct? And once I push the red button on top, everything will go back to 0. The screen will shut down. Then it will become one alone. Then there is no separation there. So he says it is eternal, everlasting and primeval. Even though the body is slain, the soul is not. All the body gets cut up into pieces and is broken down and it goes back to where it was. But the soul can never be destroyed. Because the soul is basically the super soul itself. It's the Paramatma itself. But because of individual tainting, it becomes a jiva. Correct? So we can end over here, 20th पे. ठीक है? So now